We use clocks to measure the flow of time as it passes. Every second, every hour, every day. We know that there are 24 hours in each day. Why then do most clocks only display 12 hours? There are actually two common types of time systems we use. These are known as the 12-hour system and the 24-hour system. The 12-hour system is the one we use most often. It divides the day into two halves, with each half consisting of 12 hours. The first half is labelled AM, which means ante-meridium, or before noon in Latin. This is what we know as the morning. The second half is labelled PM, which means post-meridium, or afternoon in Latin, and we know this as the afternoon or evening. On the other hand, the 24-hour system accounts for all of the 24 hours that make up one day. This means that instead of dividing the day into halves, we continue to count all the way to 24 when telling the time. So why do you think it is that we have two different time systems? The 12-hour system is convenient as it helps divide our day into two halves. In comparison, using 24-hour time tells us precisely how many hours have passed in the day. For example, if you read that the time is 13:30, it means that 13 hours and 30 minutes of the day have passed. This in 12-hour time would be 1:30 p.m. In 24-hour time, if the first two digits on the left are less than 12, the time being shown is in the morning. If the two digits on the left are greater than 12, then you know the time being shown is after 12 noon. Imagine your friend asks you to meet her at 7 o'clock. How would you know if she was referring to 7 in the morning or 7 at night? One way we could eliminate this problem is by using 24-hour time, because this system has a different number to represent each hour of the day. It is for this reason that 24-hour time is used in places like the military and at airports and train stations. It helps avoid the confusion of AM and PM, so people don't muddle up their schedules. Did you know that time was measured in many different ways before the invention of the clock? Can you think of some different ways people would have been able to know the time of day before clocks became common?